EQMS is going to help the organizations. Now, I would like to give you the brief features. If at all you are going to buy a tool for your organization, for your teams, uh, what are the key features one should see when you procure or a tool from any company? So, for electronic way of managing the quality systems, the key features are like this. The first one, role-based access control. This is very much important because uh, in the organization, there are almost 7 to 8 departments where multiple users will be there. So, initiator, reviewer, approver. These are the different roles which we define as per the context for EQMS. So here, some of the roles which have been already, standard roles are pre-configured, and permission structure will be there, and record level and field level access. So who can access which data? That is going to be defined in the RBAC, and segregation of duties enforcement is going to be ensured. So when we define the RBAC, we are also interested to ensure compliance so that there will not be any crisscross, no, one role versus other role. There will not be any conflict of interest and conflict of role. Okay. Second point, e-signatures, 21 CFR Part 11. So here, as I just mentioned earlier, user ID, password, and the reason for this particular signature. So signature manifestation is displayed, and immutable signature events are going to be recorded. Like immutable describes an object or record or system that cannot be modified. For suppose I have done a signature which I cannot recall or delete or erase. Okay. Once it is created, it is going to be recorded. That is what actually every inspector will look at it. Okay. And audit trail. Audit trail, who has done the activity, what is the task, when is the task done, where it is going to be stored or recorded, and why it is captured. So all these things are going to be captured in the audit trail. And field level change tracking. Field level change tracking. If any data or information is being changed in at any field, that is going to be tracked. So in audit trail, who has modified that also, who has deleted, there will not be any deletion option, but still if any modification or erasure or anything is going to be done at the field level, in audit trail it is going to be capturing. An immutable log, as we just discussed, immutable signature and the same immutable log. So you can write once and read many digital record of events that cannot be modified or deleted or altered once written. So all these things are going to be captured under audit trail. And reporting and analytics, we have user level dashboards, and at high level, top management can see or auditors can see the dashboards. High level dashboards will give you a single snapshot of the entire month. How many change controls initiated, reported, and then closed, and then under review and waiting for approval. Like that, every QMS element, okay, is going to be tracked and demonstrated at high level for top management dashboard. As a user, if you are initiating any QMS element like deviation, change control, then how many you have opened, how many you have closed, how many are still waiting at quality head approval, how many are still waiting at your department head approval, or how many actions need to be completed to close the change control. So these complete details are going to be displayed at user level dashboard. So real-time dashboards by role are available. Custom report builder is available. Standard pre-built reports are available, and you can create your own reports as per your organizational format. And notifications and alerts. So we have in-app notifications, email alerts, and pop-ups. And assignment, reminder, overdue, and approval. So for all these things, you will get notification, mail alert, and pop-up. User configurable preferences are also there. For suppose you want periodically, instead of every change control, you want every 5 change controls. Or internal audit, you are getting a reminder only once in a month. But if you want, every week, then you can get it. So these sort of notifications, pop-ups, alerts, you can keep track of it for timely closure of all the QMS metrics with quick actions. So the other one is search and filtering. For suppose you are searching for, you have initiated, at a site, okay, from quality and all the other functions across the company. Now there are 222 change controls. But during the audit, you cannot manually trace everything. For suppose if you have paper-based QMS. But in EQMS, you have an option called global search across modules. So you want to verify one CAPA, straight away you can search in global search by giving the unique identification number. And advanced filters per each module are available, and even full text search. For suppose you want to give CAPA 001 2026 as a number, or with the title, if you want to search, full text search option is also there. Okay. And data export and integration. So the data can be exported from PDF, Excel, CSV formats, and bulk export at a single shot. If you want to upload or import or export, 100 files at a single shot, you can do it. That can be done by using filtering. Bulk export with filtering option is available. Along with that, we have API integration of EQMS is possible with the other solutions like learning management system, document management system. Yeah.
Watch the full video on our website. Click the link in the description to get started.